Hi, Dave from Motorcycle Factors here today. We're up at Oxford Classic Motorcycles again today. Looking at this Kawasaki Limited 440 custom. I personally don't like the styling, but I suspect there's a lot of people that do like the old custom style of it. This particular model's got 2-in-1 motel on it. Head gasket's leaking at the moment. Paintwork, it's been sprayed, I'd say. It's tidy enough, and it's 56,000 miles. If you see our other video on our GS 550, it's the same sort of shape as that. And that was, I think, a US import. This one actually is a UK bike. But horrible shaped seat to my mind. Alley wheels, chrome mudguard. Yeah, ain't too bad. Polish up reasonably well, I'd say. Fork stanchions are good, the fork legs are okay. It's reasonably tidy actually when you start looking at it, but it has got some oil around the cylinder, so that just needs popping up and chucking a new gasket on. But start her up and see what she sounds like. Don't like the rear rack either. Idiot. Kawasaki 440 twin cylinder. Feels quite smooth. I don't know if that belt drive's got something to do with it or not. Yeah, it's a little bit cramped for me, but yeah, it's not a bad riding position. Oh yes, yeah. Actually, the ride's quite fine actually. Yeah, actually everything seems to work on it. The engine feels quite nice. I don't know what sort of brake horsepower they've got. One would imagine round about the 40 mark. Yeah, on the little ride round we did, it's all right. It's missing a little bit. That's why I pulled in a bit early. It just wants just a quick look at. I don't know if there's a bit of crap in the carbs or got a plug fouling up. But yeah, it's all right. It's not my cup of tea. It's smooth enough. It's got enough power there. It's just a cheap little motorcycle, isn't it, for somebody? Thanks for watching.